Hi, welcome to Ringo-Media. Today we're going to look at which Firesticks are available and the best ones to buy. If you're new to Firesticks, give us a follow, like this video to help us build this channel up, and we'll keep you maintained on your Firestick and give you advice on them. So let's have a look at the available sticks that we have, or devices. This image is actually from the Amazon website, so you can view it on there as well. The first one that's on their list is the Fire TV Stick HD. I'd class this as entry level. It gives you the 1080p full high definition, which for your basic TVs, monitors, things like that, using it while out and about different devices is adequate. It's high definition, so it's good. It comes with 8 GB of storage. Again, entry level, it's okay. You can get a good few apps on that as long as you maintain your Fire Stick, take off apps you don't need, etc. And of course it comes with Wi-Fi 5. Now this particular stick works well. I've used them myself. I'm currently using one at the moment. Not a problem with it at all. Great thing. I've got a couple of these that I use for my caravan. Again, I don't need super 4K graphics and videos on that. I've got a basic telly down there. The next one is the new Firestick 4K Select. That's the important bit, the Select. This one, although it's very similar to the HD, get Wi-Fi 5, 8 gig memory, etc. It is 4K, but, the big but, I've got the cross through it. Do not buy this one if you're looking to add extra apps. If you're looking to sideload apps that aren't available in the Amazon store, then do not buy this one. It's got its own new operating system and you can't do anything with it apart from watch what Amazon say you can via their online store. So keep well clear of the 4K Select. The next one we've got is the Fire TV Stick 4K Plus. They've just renamed this as Plus. It was just a 4K. Nothing's really changed on it, it's just the name change. I think it's to differentiate between the 4K Select and the 4K Plus now. Again, this one's 8 gig of memory. This one comes with Wi-Fi 6, so if you've got Wi-Fi 6 compatible router, that will help a bit with speed and everything. And you can, as you can see here, live view picture in picture if you're using certain apps on that. It comes with the ultra high def 4K, so a lot better for bigger screens, high definition tellies, etc. This for the 4K is the entry level. Okay. The next one is the 4K Max. This is the one, if you can afford it, I recommend. 4K, again, so same as the other one. This one, differences are the storage comes with 16 GB of memory, so you can install a lot more apps on that particular stick, and also it comes with Wi-Fi 6E. So again, to benefit from that, you need a router stroke IP service, internet provider service that supplies Wi-Fi 6E to get that bit. Again, if you're not too worried, I'd go personally at the moment for the 4K Plus. if you're just loading a few apps on there to watch, etc. The next one's the Fire TV Cube. I've not personally used this one yet. Basically the same as the 4K Max, 16 gig memory, Wi-Fi 6E. Real difference with this one is that it comes with an Ethernet port. So instead of just running off Wi-Fi, you can plug it into your internet connections, your routers, etc. to get slightly fast, or to get faster speeds. With the other ones, these three here, the HD 4K Plus and the 4K Max, although they don't come with the Ethernet port, you can buy an adapter to connect them to Ethernet. They're available on Amazon. I've got one here, okay, that I use. So you plug that into your Firestick, that end, and then on this, if I can show you it, you've got the Ethernet port there, and there is your power supply in. So what's connected to your Firestick at the moment, power, you plug into there, plug your Ethernet into there, plug that end into your Firestick. You've now got Ethernet on there, and they're not expensive at all on Amazon. Links to these will be in my profile down below. Okay, so entry level, go for the HD. At the moment it's on quite a good level price, 20 quid. Entropy, the others have gone up quite a bit. They were a lot cheaper over the Christmas and holiday period, and they've gone up at the moment. If you are looking for one of these, I recommend going to camel.com. I'll do a video on that in a little while. That will help you track the prices of things like the Firesticks and lots of other things on Amazon to see if you're getting a good deal, okay, and what their best prices have been and when. So hopefully that will give you an idea. As I say, if you want standard entry, go for the HD stick. If you want the better quality, excuse me, go for the 4K Plus. I run most of them at home. And then if you want the bigger storage, the 16 gig storage and the slightly faster Wi-Fi, the 6E, if you've got compatible Wi-Fi routers, then go for that one. The Fire Cube is quite big and bulky from what I can see. The Firesticks come with a little cable. You can hide that behind your TV or monitors quite neatly out of the way. The Fire TV Cube, I would suggest, would be sort of nearby and a lot bulkier, where you can have the Fire Sticks with the Ethernet connection on it, as I said, a lot tidier and hidden behind. Hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea. Any questions, drop us a message. Don't forget to give us a like, give us a subscribe, follow for more videos about your Fire Stick, how to get good deals on them, how to maintain them once you've got one. Have a good day. Speak to you on the next one.